So this video is going to be going over the homeroom schedules for 7th grade. Now there's 3 different schedules. Each schedule is different based on the homeroom that your student is in, and I'm going to just go over one of them just so you understand what the schedule includes. So I'm going to go ahead and click, the Bear schedule. And the first thing that you'll notice is this is the schedule for the whole week. Mondays and Wednesdays are the same schedule. Tuesdays and Thursdays are the same schedule. And Friday has its own schedule. So it's different from Monday through Wednesday. So if I'm looking at this schedule, I'll notice that there's 2 different colors. There's classes that are highlighted in green and classes that are highlighted in blue. So for example, on Mondays and Wednesdays, there's 3 classes highlighted in green: advisory, enrichment, and ELA. If you look at the bottom, it'll actually tell you what classes that are highlighted in green mean. And it says synchronous. What that means is that that is a Zoom class. So if I look over here, what this tells me is if I was in Bears, I would have advisory on Zoom. I would have enrichment on Zoom because it's highlighted in green, and I will have ELA on Zoom. And so what all the student needs to do is literally click on the Zoom link, and it'll lead them directly towards that class. Now, if a class is highlighted in blue, so if we look at the Bear schedule, on Mondays and the Wednesdays they have science and social studies in blue and math in blue. So if we look at the bottom here, it says that classes that are highlighted in blue are asynchronous. What that means is that instead of going on Zoom, they're going to be actually logging into Google Classroom and filling out assignments there. So all they have to do is click on the link. So if I click on Google Classroom link for math, it's going to lead me directly towards the Google Classroom page for that class. If I have ELA at 2, all I have to do is click on this link and it'll lead me directly towards the Zoom class. Okay? Now Tuesdays and Thursdays it switches, so now they have math and science on Zoom, and then ELA will be on Google Classroom. And the most important thing to also remember is Friday is different. So the only class that is in green is advisory, which means that on Fridays, the only Zoom class they will have is advisory, and the rest of the classes are highlighted in blue. And what that means is they will be completing all of their content class assignments on Google Classroom on Fridays. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to contact me. Again, your student should really bookmark this because it's such an important page. So all they have to do to bookmark it is literally press on this star right here, and this page will be bookmarked for them.